Good evening children, my name is Minu Lama and I am from Genesis English School. Today we are going to learn the chapter sentences from English grammar. Okay, now see, what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sentence. It is a group of words. Okay, like example, first see, bird the singing is. Here are the group of words, but to make a sentence, these words should be placed in a proper order. Then only it will make a sense. Then only we can get the meaning of that sentence. Okay, for example, bird the singing is. We have to frame the sentence by keeping these words, by placing these words in a proper order. Like, the bird is singing. Okay, now this makes a sense. If we say the bird the singing is, we don't understand, we don't get anything from this. It doesn't make a sense. It doesn't make a sense. Now when we place the words in a proper order, it makes a sense. Okay, it has meaning. The bird is singing. Next is playing children the are. Here also the words are now not placed in a proper order. It is not placed in a proper order. Okay. The children are playing. So now the children are playing. Now it makes a sense. We can understand. Okay. If we say playing children the are, it doesn't make any sense. So the children are playing. Now it makes a sense. Okay, so this is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense. It is a group of words. Okay, and that has some meaning. Okay, now we'll go to the types of sentences. Types of sentences. There are many types of sentences like affirmative sentences, imperative sentences, exclamatory sentences, but now we'll do only two types of sentences, that is statement and question. Statement and question. Okay, two types of sentences. What are the two types of sentences? Statement and question. Statement and question, two types of sentences. Okay, now what is statement? A sentence that states something. A sentence that states something is called a statement, and question, a sentence that asks something. A sentence that asks something. Statement, a sentence that states something, and question statement is the sentence that asks question, is called a question sentence. And this statement, the statement always ends with the full stop at the end. Statement always ends with the full stop at the end. And this question statement always ends with a question mark at the end. Got it? Understood? Yes. So two types of sentences are there, statement and question. Statement, it states something, it tells us something. Okay, and question, it asks a question, and it always ends with a question mark, and statement always ends with a full stop. Okay, thank you class, this much for today.